Hi everybody, I'm Danny Dancer, the Kidtropolis educator here at Children's Museum Houston, and we are just about ready to celebrate Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. And nothing says I love you quite like a homemade Valentine card. Unless it is a light-up homemade Valentine card. Woo! Check it out. Pretty cool. How do you make a homemade light-up Valentine's Day card? I'm going to show you. It's actually pretty simple. It does have some different materials that you'll need to seek out, but most of them are pretty inexpensive and easy to find. If you want to know a little bit more about the science behind how these cards are made, check out Mr. O's electric card video. You can find it on our website or our YouTube channel. But the only difference for my card here is my card is going to have a little bit of a secret switch, and I'll show you how that works.